and this is Sea Life.
Okay, you guys, we're gonna come back this year, and it's kind of late. It's kind of, we've had a lot going on, but we're getting back to milling. And so we're coming out and getting set up. And we have cleaned up quite a little bit of our scrap. And milling is one of our investments. Our sawmill is one of our investments that is paying off very well due to the fact that lumber prices have gone through the roof. And so all of the things that we have to accomplish, having, trying to keep our homes in order, we are now milling ourselves and trying our hardest to use our own wood. And so that has been an investment that has paid off already very nicely.
Welcome back to our channel. Today we got to do some sawmilling. So I got to make some 1x and some 2x. I'm going to aim at 2x6s and 1x6s. But whatever we get out of them, that's what we're going to get.
So Daniel's
you see some insects.
Getting his little
I've found it's been so long since we've messed with this. There's bees in here making a nest.
Oh, the bees are making
it right
a nest.
there.
Oh my goodness.
I see it.
Well,
that's why I was like, bag up, Walter.
Yeah. When you come back to your wood now, don't be surprised.
Just
if you might have some bees in it.
Knows how these things work, so.
Oh man, they bit me in the stomach, boy. Had me bowled over on the ground for 30 minutes.
Oh no.
Back up.
We are having a little bit of a bee issue, and he just opened up the case, the saw area, and he's trying to clean up and deal with a little beehive that got in there. Yeah. Unique situation.
He'll be all right. He'll go away.
We had just covered this with a tarp, and it's been out here in the middle of the woods because the woodshed that we tried to build, we're going to have to reduce some of it so that the roof is correct.
Build a different one.
And he's starting to wonder if he won't just build a different one. So he just said
wider and longer.
Wider and longer. Okay.
I don't want the rain getting in there. That one had rain coming sideways under the roof.
Yeah, we had some rain coming in. So we're going to have to work on that one a little bit more. But today we have a whole lot of logs that we've had to take out of our areas so that we could have grass. And we're just not wanting to waste our logs, so we're going to mill them up. We're getting ready to mill some decking and some other things. So
if we manage to get to it, we also have some hardwood. If you turn right there, Toby, to the trailer, you'll see the hardwood. I got it out of our woods because it was about to fall, because you could see the tree was falling. So with the hardwood, that's all going to be furniture stuff, so it'll all get cut into 1x's.
Oh, that's going to be nice. Okay.
You don't waste it on normal building stuff.
Yeah.
That's all finished stuff.
Yeah, the hardwood tends to be our finished stuff. And we don't have a lot of hardwood.
We're going to start getting some.
We hope so. This is the first log coming up today. All right, we've got it started, and Daniel's cleaning and tuning. just discovering some Canadian parts on it, I think, maybe this morning. Have some French words. As you can see, there may be some Canadian parts with French words on your machine. But we've had no problem. The quality of this machine has been outstanding as far as we can tell.
Pull towards you a little.
Okay.
Slide it up in there.
Now this log looks beautiful.
Now it won't have
Looks a little bit damp
That's right.
because we have had some rains. But it's looking beautiful.
Good flat edge to set it. Yay.
And you might be able to tell we had painted the ends of these logs, or tried to.
Oh, I tried.
Just to keep them from splitting, you know, having splits, from drying out too fast. Happy milling to all of you who also have mills. I hope you're enjoying your mills as much as we're enjoying this one. We are so glad to have this on our property.
Yay.
Yes, it's an amazing benefit. An amazing benefit. Sawdust is kicking. If you don't have eye protection on, even as a photographer, you may find you get a little sawdust in the eye. These guys both have glasses on, and I'm standing here without glasses. So I've had that situation before where you get a little sawdust in the eyes. Can be a situation. It does blow, and then if the wind picks it up, it floats around pretty easy. better to stand on the side that does not have the sawdust coming out. Yes, because it can cause you to sneeze and cough and have dust in your eyes. And some people are actually kind of allergic to pine, so you have to be a little bit careful with whatever type of wood you're milling. But I think the true essential oils of a wood are a lot less likely to be allergic to than any chemicals that your wood may have been sprayed with.
You can smell the pine oil coming
Yeah,
off there.
you can smell the pine oils coming off, and it smells amazing.
It does.
The wood will tell you what you can do, because you say you're going to be this, and it goes ha ha ha. Says, nope, I ain't being that. I'm going to be this. You go, okay.
That's right.
So you let the wood have a vote in what you're going to make.
That's right. You're going to talk to you.
That's why it's 1 buys and 2 buys.
Okay.